guys, Emmanuel here from Your Customs PR. Here we have Ash's RS6. We've done a couple of things to this car already, including the seat lowering module for the suspension. We custom painted the calipers in Mercado blue to match the stitching on the interior, which I'll show you guys. We did the Maxton design full body kit on it already. It's also covered in matte PPF done by Roderick's Detail, which they do a fantastic job in. On this round, we're going to be installing a SkiGuard roof box, which is actually covered in matte PPF with a really nice gloss RS6 accent on the top. And I actually color matched it to the calipers on the inside, so when he opens the box, you'll be able to see the calipers matching that blue. So it's like a cohesive theme altogether. We're also going to be installing a custom steering wheel that he brought in, as well as Alcantara covered trims for like the dash and the sides of the seats. So I'm really excited about this project. I'll show you guys on the way, and stay tuned. Just a little close up so you guys can see the calipers a little bit up close. Also the Maxton body kit on it, the satin PPF, looks really good. This is the color that I told you guys that we're gonna be matching with the Mercado blue. More of the body kit. You can see the rear wing here. So I'm really excited. We already did the AWE exhaust on it, as well as the Venturi intakes and the engine cover. Here's a look at that custom steering wheel that I was talking about. Looks really nice. It's actually the SkiGuard roof box. We have it here in the office because it doesn't fit anywhere. It's pretty big. Has the RS6 logo on it. Looks really nice. I also did the top. And here's a look at those Alcantara interior trim pieces. This is the cover for the side of the dash. This goes on the side of the seat. This goes on the back of the seat. I'll keep showing you guys the other trim that we're gonna be installing. I also custom painted the center caps for him to match. So we're in the process of putting those trim panels in. We had an issue with this one. It's not fitting correctly, so we're just gonna skip that one for now. But this is how it looks. Looks so much better. See this ear here.